Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Westen. How are you guys doing today? Now, if you was here last time, you know that we painted this door that used to be white and that door fender over there that used to be black to be red. And I mean, look at this. Guys, look at this. That there. You guys can see me. Hi. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, that's such a good job. I am so proud of this door. This is the most thing I'm most proud of after all.
Not even a Peterbilt?
I'm pretty proud of it too. But I painted this, I painted that, and I painted that. And it looks so good. So now, what we need to do today is get these things unstringed from the rafter, because that is definitely how the guys do it up there at the SEMA shops and where they're building all their cool builds up there. I think this is how Chip Foos does it. I'm pretty sure. I think that like when they did Pimp My Ride and stuff, I think this is how they painted everything. Yeah, they just hung the whole car from the ceiling and just painted it. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get these things unstringed down, take them outside, and see how they look on the truck. All right, let's get after it. We are getting ready to try to take this door down by ourselves. So what my idea
By yourselves, there's two of you.
Well, by ourselves.
Yeah.
So what I think we're gonna do is you hold up that side, I'll hold up this side, and I'll reach up there with my pliers, or maybe the cameraman can reach up there with my pliers. Okay, how about this? Waylon, you grab the door, I'll grab the fender. Yeah.
100 pounds, 2 pounds.
Yeah, my point exactly. I know you know how to handle them big women.
That's your job.
I know.
Handle the little ones.
No, you handle the big ones now. See, I can grab this one all by my own. All right. Waylon, I'll grab the fender. You want to take it off?
Hey, you might take that weight off the sides there, buddy. We had this on there so that
we had that weight on there, that way it wouldn't swing back and forth when I was trying to spray paint it.
now save some of that. That's how we're going to attach it to the truck with that baling wire.
You're not supposed to tell that.
What? Shh. You don't want to give away your secrets, I know. I'm
no,
sorry.
We're going to use zip ties. We got zip ties and duct tape.
That's what I roll with.
Stay. Good duct tape. It's heavy. Actually, let's go ahead and take this off. All right, boys, let's see how much of this red that we painted. Now remember, Waylon did this part. Oh my God, it's like unwrapping a Christmas present. Woo, that's not bad.
It takes a lot longer to put it on and take it off.
No, it's just like a prom dress. It takes a lot longer for her to put it on than it took for me to take it off. God dang it! Come on now, get off there. Waylon, what'd you do? You did this part really good.
Did I?
I don't know. We're gonna.
I don't think I did that. I think I did this around the top and then, well, I started over there and went down.
And we painted down there too. Oh. Ah! Got it.
Listen, I don't got no more patience.
What are you doing? Now, boys, I've got something to say. We have got a new addition to the Little Peter Brigade today. Look at him. There he is. His name is Dalton. And as you guys know, if any of you know a Dalton, all Daltons are crazy, including this one.
You darn right.
And look at this. He's got a mullet that Cletus McFarland would be, like, Cletus McFarland would be jealous of that.
Hell yeah, brother.
Look at that America. Look at that freedom. That's a lot of America. That's a lot of freedom right there. So, I mean, obviously, we're going to be able to put together a lot of stuff today. I imagine if he touches this truck with that mullet, this truck will instantly make 75 more horsepower. No doubt. Don't you think?
I think it's gonna.
Yeah. The door and the fender off of the really professional SEMA rafter. So, we're going to go ahead and grab them and put them on. What are you doing? All right. Grab the door. Swing it up, slam her finger, go ahead and latch it. You know, set up there and latch it.
on there?
Not really.
Got it all?
How's it going, Westen? Just peachy.
How is this on there?
I think this is how all people put doors on. Go ahead and lift it up. Open it. Open it. All right, hold up.
It don't match at all, Westen.
It don't match at all.
Like, you sure they gave you the right color, Westen?
I don't even know if you could blend that. That's not good.
We got a thumbnail title. We painted it the wrong color, Westen.
Please don't be that one.
Sure, I'll say nothing.
We're all
Did
good.
you get that?
Well, boys, I think we painted the door and the fender the wrong color. And it's bad because I was feeling really good about my paint job. I don't even think you could blend that to match. Like, that's bad.
I mean, we could scuff it to put a lighter coat on it. Like a lighter red.
So we're still gonna attach the fender and everything like that?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on there and see how it looks, and then what we can do, since we've already painted the back of the door really don't have to match. It's just gotta be kind of red. So this is a pretty drastic change from this color here to this color here. Now a guy might be able to blend this, but I really don't think so. I think that's pretty, I don't know if even that's blendable. But what I'm going to do is ask a good friend of mine that runs a paint body shop if we could blend this. And if we can blend it, we'll go ahead and try to blend it. If not, then we'll probably just take and tape it off the truck and just shoot these on the truck and just repaint it again.
So that way you make sure you get the right paint color.
Well, and also when you're doing that, that gives you you can blend it. Like you can take and like, yeah, that's not close at all.
It's a 50-50 though.
It's a good 50-50 paint job. I don't even know if this is a good 50-50 though.
Yeah, it's kind of red.
I mean, cherry red and blood red.
Get a little bit of different colors of red. But if we do have to repaint it, it's not that big a deal. Stuff happens, we can always fix it. Ain't nothing to it just to fix it. I did a really good paint job, but the problem is it's the wrong color paint job. Oh well, we can fix it. Well, let's finish adjusting this door real quick. I think you might have to get inside and open it because I don't think this handle here is just, yeah, just sit there.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just set that down now.
Alright, I'm not gonna trip this.
That makes me sad. Like, I'm legitimately sad right now.
Hey, that door over there
you are?
looks about like the
Yeah.
color.
There ain't nothing to it just to fix it. Like, it's not that big a deal. We can just fix it.
There's a lot of work that went into this door.
Whoa. Lift it up. Door opens up like it's supposed to. Goes ahead and shuts like it's supposed to. Everything works. Open it again. So, now, that kind of sucks that the color don't match. But the good thing about it is, like, if you look in here, like compare this red to this red, you just can't tell that there's a difference. So we don't have to repaint the back of the door, which is good. So we already got that done. Oh, we got a little bit of tape we forgot. We'll go ahead and throw the fender back on it, but to fix this color issue, we can just take and tape off the top of the cab, tape off everything except for this door and this door here and the fender, and then we'll just come through and repaint it all, and we'll kind of blend the paint into this door and then re-clear the whole side of the truck. But the other big thing about it is, you know, it's kind of a bad deal that it come out the way it did, but stuff happens like that. Sometimes you just gotta fix it. And Waylon's sure excited about fixing it. It happens. Don't worry about it. You can always fix it. There ain't nothing there that can't be fixed.
You're not wrong.
And this is not a failure. You know what fail means? First attempt in learning.
Don't worry, you've had a lot of those.
Yeah. It's not even really our fault though.
Yeah.
They gave us the wrong paint.
Well, the thing about it is it's really hard to match paint, especially on red. It's really hard to match. And I figured we'd have to come back and blend it. Guys, in case you don't know, it's hailing outside. So if you can't hear me very good, I apologize. Like, let's check out our weather window here. We interrupt this broadcast to bring you a weather report. It's raining. It's really cold.
Too bad.
God dang it, open the door.
This is a restricted area.
It's cold out there, damn it. Woo! How can it look worse the further away you get? Like when I'm standing up kind of looking closer, I'm like, it's not that bad. Like the further away I get, the worse it gets. That's like the complete opposite of a woman.
I'm really excited for this part. You're tearing up my package.
Yeah, you love tearing open packages. Come on, man. Be nice to
Get
me.
in the front.
There we go. Alright. There we go. There's that. Go up a little bit. What?
You're gonna go this way.
Alright guys, we got the bracket back on the bottom. All we got left to do is throw the rest of the bolts in the fender and she is on. Then we got to throw the fender liner in it, the headlight, and a bunch of other junk. Alright.
Door open, it looks like it matches.
Yeah.
That's it! All we got to do is just drive down the road with the door open.
Alright, so you get in the truck, I'll sit here like this and just have my foot there resting, and then about 50 miles an hour, try to like keep it open.
Yep, that sounds good. Good game plan there, guys. Nobody will even notice that it's the wrong color.
You're right, because they'll be too busy looking at the door open.
Gosh dang it, do you think they could have found a bigger box to put a headlight in? Alright. Let's box this thing, see what it looks like. Whew. Let me see. Woo! Yes! Oh my god. They package this really well. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, look at this. That's neat how they did that. You put a piece of plastic. Okay, cool. Damn, that's a perfect headlight we need. Just the halogen, but that's wood. All right, let's try to put this headlight in it.
That's a huge.
This thing is a monster.
Then again, it's a big old truck.
You know what? All right, boys. The headlight's being a bit of a pain in the butt at the moment. Namely, we took this headlight out when we had this fender off, so we had a lot more room to kind of come out this way. So now we kind of got to figure out how to put it in there without scratching the fender and without taking out the grill, because I don't know how to take this grill out. So we might have to figure out how to take the grill out, which I think you got to take the bumper off to do, which would be really, really funny. So I guess we're going to engage super speed mode and try to get this headlight put in here. Take a step back and look at the entire truck. I mean, it's looking pretty good. And then, yeah. It could be just a tad bit better. The match is not, yeah, I mean, you can, damn, it looks really noticeable there. Yeah, it's, yeah, it's a little bit different there. I will give it that. Now, I actually don't think, what?
Westen, I know how to make it better.
How's that?
Let's see if this works.
Wow. Well, it's a little better, but Waylon, there's kind of a bit of a problem right there. As you can tell, what we painted looks very good. It looks shiny. It's got the fender lines up. We got the little bracket fixed. Everything is good except for it don't match our truck, which that's the risk we took when we didn't blend this. But I really don't think this is just a blending issue. I mean, this is such a drastic difference. It might not pick it up in the camera, but this is such a drastic difference. I don't think if I'd have blended this halfway down the door that I would have still been able to stand back and tell that this had been repainted just from the color difference. That's super dark compared to what this is. Before you all saying, you know, you should have got the paint code and all that, we did pull the paint code off of this truck. It's Dodge Flame Red. It's not a metallic or nothing, but we got the paint code, and there's 3 different varieties, or 3 different options from Napa that they had for this paint code. I really don't know exactly what went wrong. Maybe we just didn't have a good coverage issue. Maybe the paint wasn't mixed right. Maybe we got the wrong option for our paint code. Or just, I don't know. Maybe this is not that bad, and if we blended it, it would be fine, but this is a pretty drastic difference. Oh, and some of you might be wondering why we went ahead and put the headlight in if we thought we was gonna have to repaint this. And the reason for that is we had to fix this little bracket down here that holds the fender. And I also wanted to make sure that this headlight was gonna fit in the truck right. And as you guys can see, it's fitting almost like it's brand new. It's like brand new, Waylon. It really is.
I think it is brand new.
You might be right about that. So, the headlight fits, the fender fits, everything fits good. All we gotta do is fix the color and we'll be good. God damn it, it is cold out here.
It is.
It is very cold, Wayland. Very cold.
Go.
Going up again. Our garage is temperamental. All right, let's head to town.
My friend.
Well, I want you to take a look at this truck, see what the hell's wrong with it.
Let's take a look at it.
It looks really good on the side that I didn't paint. You ever having stuff like that? It looks really good on the side I didn't paint.
Yep.
The other side? Not quite so much.
Yeah. Probably should have blended.
I don't know if... I don't know. I don't know if you could even... Could you blend it with that much?
What's the code on that truck?
Flame red. Like we pulled a chip out and chipped it, and it chipped the same, like same color as the door we pulled off. Our PR4, I think.
Yeah, I just want to look at it again.
Where the hell's it at on here?
Yeah, I can't see it.
Trim paint PR4. Yeah. PR4. Oh, you saw the video?
Yep.
Did it look like we did a very good job?
I thought it looked like you did a fine job. Especially when you're trying to video it all too.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to do that as well. I know. I bet you to look a lot better when it's dark outside.
Yeah, you look great in the dark in the night.
You know what? I've had a couple girlfriends like that. They look really good when it's dark outside. I think he said there was like 3 or 4 variants. Well, guys, the battery on the camera died in there in Napa, but we are back up here to the garage. We went ahead and pulled the truck in because it's supposed to snow tonight. Now, with that being said, they came out and run some little chips, which are paint cards, up against the paint to see if this is kind of what they're supposed to have or not, or if this is what's supposed to be on it compared to this. We went ahead and pulled the paint coat again, and they said, you know what, it's a little dark, but that's all right because we will help you out with another quart of red paint for this truck. So, that's awesome because we can take and we'll have to repaint this fender, this door, and while we're at it, we'll probably go ahead and blend into the hood and probably this pillar here, and most definitely we'll blend into this back door, which means we'll just take and spray about half of it with color, and then we'll have to come back through and re-clear, which is clear coat, re-clear the entire side of the truck. Ain't nothing to it just to do it. We'll get it done. But on a positive note, the guy said, you know what? You did a pretty good job. And you know what? For not being a very good painter, I'm going to take every compliment I can get. So, with that being said, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. That tells YouTube that we are good fellers and that other people ought to watch us and watch us make mistakes in our paint jobs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Either fixing on this red truck or the Peterbilt if the parts come in for it. So, see you guys later.